Where you can make as much as $100 for a few minutes of work. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, go back to The Simpsons. Please, do us both a favor. Stop giving commentary on my videos. It's really annoying. He does it all the time. It's so annoying. Anyway, I also do a lot of videos involving how to make some extra money on the side, as well as stuff involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you're a sweetheart. You can stay as long as you like. Seriously, happy to have you. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Well, you know what? I'll just go ahead and block this off with a little blur when I do this video for you guys.
Why are you doing that?
Guys? Why am I blurring it? It's very, very simple, because I don't need people calling me all day and all night. Thank you very much. Anyway, so it's very simple. Basically, I'm going to fill this in. I'm going to do it together with you. I've never done this before, so we're going to go ahead and fill this in real quick. Actually, I don't need to be informed about your events. Let's get started. And the nice thing, by the way, is I know that a lot of you are not in the United States necessarily, or you're underage. There are no requirements. All you have to have is a good, clear speaking voice. If you can speak clearly, then you can do this. This is very, very easy work. Okay, so basically what you would do is once you've signed up to voices.com, you can just go ahead and launch the profile wizard, and you're going to fill in some information about yourself, picture, tell them about yourself, etc., etc., etc. Mailing you just the whole 9 yards. I'm not going to go through all the details. Basically, they're going to have you do a voice test, obviously, so that they can see whether or not you actually have a nice, clear voice that is actually going to be worthwhile for a voiceover. Basically, the concept here is that you're going to go ahead and record voiceovers. So, you know, all those videos where it says, are you looking for a quality dentist? If so, we are the premier dentist in the area. Yeah, that
Heating bill. Blankets are okay, but they can slip and slide. And when you need to reach for something, your hands are trapped inside. Now, there's the Snuggie, the blanket that has sleeves. Perfect for chilly outdoor evenings, staying cozy and warm at sporting events. And it's ideal for those drafty dorm rooms.
kind of stuff, you know, like whatever. Anyway, bottom line is that it works. It's money. It's easy money to make, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time. And yeah, you get paid for it. You get paid via PayPal. It's simple. So go ahead and sign up for it. Not a big deal to do. If you don't mind speaking a little bit, you can go ahead and do whatever you want, and you can do this from anywhere you want. So this is a really cool resource, voices.com. Go ahead and sign up, and you're going to love it.